Okay, so we're gonna do pranking phone calls with fart sounds, and maybe we'll do scary sounds after. Ew! Oh god, I'm scared. Okay, let's do 347 580.
Aló.
Oh my god. Okay. I think that was a Chinese person. Not to be rude, I'm just saying. Oh, what is this? Okay, we're gonna do. Oh, hell. We're gonna do that sound next.
Por favor, deje su mensaje para...
Huh? Okay. I'm just putting random numbers. We're trying. Oh, come on. This sounds like it would be a real number.
Please leave your message.
Oh, God. Okay, I think we're done.